What does sustainable mean? Sustainable means something that can continue for a long time without causing damage to the environment or running out of resources. In simple words, sustainable means something that can last for a long time. It is often used when talking about protecting nature and using resources wisely. For example, using solar energy is a sustainable way to produce electricity. This means solar energy can be used for a long time without harming the environment. Sustainable is commonly used in areas like environment, business, and development. For example, sustainable farming protects the soil and natural resources. Sustainable development focuses on meeting present needs without harming the future. Here are more example sentences. The company is trying to create a sustainable business model. Recycling helps create a more sustainable environment. They are working on sustainable energy solutions. Sustainable practices help protect the planet and ensure resources are available for future generations. In simple terms, sustainable means able to continue for a long time without harm. Easy way to remember. Sustainable means long-lasting and environmentally friendly.